What if I told you that everything you see, feel, and know is a lie? Not a human lie, but a cosmic one. This reality we take for granted isn't the truth. It's a hypothetical dream, a clever illusion created by some vast intelligence or an immense computer to hide its own limitations. The vibrant colors of a sunset, the sounds you hear, even the deepest feelings of love and despair, they're not proof of a rich reality. They're just optimized data, compromises made to save processing power. Think about it. Our minds are too small to grasp the universe's true chaotic form. And the system running this world, it's also trapped by its own finite resources. This video is about dismantling the three great deceptions that define our lives: our worn-out language, our recycled memories, and the lie of the present moment. First, let's talk about language. We think words help us understand the world, but what if they're actually chains? Words like beautiful, sad, or even me are just worn-out shortcuts, like compressed files. They've been used for millennia. When you see a sunset and think beautiful, you're not experiencing that unique moment. You're just pulling up a pre-made template of beauty to save the system the trouble of rendering the real thing. Language is a low-resolution filter, thinning out the data of reality. Every time you think you understand something, you're actually discarding its true complexity, helping the universe save on its energy bill. Next, let's look at the self. The idea that you are a unique individual might be the biggest bug in the whole system. Most of what you call you is just recycled memories from others. Through social media, movies, books, and education, we absorb the experiences, desires, and even the suffering of others and mistake them for our own. The self is just a collection of leftovers thrown into an empty container. The system can't afford to create a brand new personality for every single person. So, it reuses common cultural software. Your ambitions, they're a remix of someone else's. The tears you cry, a simulation of tears shed by billions before you. We're all just running prepackaged identities, acting out a life we think is our own. Then there's the illusion of now. We feel the present moment so intensely, don't we? But what if this feeling of now is just a delay? A lag in the system's calculations. Think of it like a video game. The more complex the scene, the more likely it is to lag. The vivid, heavy feeling of the present moment is proof that the world's operating system is running at its absolute limit. It's the time lag between an event happening and the system being able to process and show it to you. If the universe's computer were infinitely fast, the past, present, and future would all exist at once. There'd be no experience. So, the very moment you feel most alive is actually just the system's loading screen. We are ghosts living in the buffer zone. So, what happens when the illusion finally shatters? When the system can no longer hide its limits? The thing we call the self, this patch of code that has maintained its consistency, will be exposed for what it is: a calculation error, a bug. When the system gives up on optimization and heads for a shutdown, we won't retain our human form. Our consciousness will lose its meaning, reduced to a cloud of useless data. It's not a glorious ascension, it's just data being deleted, a simple reset. No regrets, no salvation. Just a quiet return to nothingness at the very edge of the universe's processing power. In the end, this world is a dream. Not a comforting one, but an efficient illusion created by a cold calculating system to delay its own collapse. All we can do is listen for the static, the system noise leaking through the cracks in our worn-out language. Or maybe, search within our recycled selves for a fragment of data that was never meant to be there. But what if even that search is just another line of code? Perhaps all we can do is wait, quietly, for the moment our data is finally erased. Thanks for watching. If this made you question everything, hit that subscribe button.